Alright guys, so this is the second bridge I'm coming to on this trail that I'm on in the middle of nowhere. And I'll show you the river here in a second. I can hear it. It says, sign says no fishing, no camping. Not allowed in there. Well, we got this another bridge here that I gotta climb up. You guys hear the water? There's the river again. Right there. Oh, there you go. Hi. All right. There's the river. You guys can see that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's the bridge I just came from. And it keeps going up. We're climbing now. This part I don't like. We're going up. Up, 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 and away. Oh my Lord. We're climbing. We are climbing up. Keeps going up higher. All right, I'm gonna take a break and a breather right here. I'll see you guys later. Bye.